Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make these very cute rainbow themed butterflies. They are very easy to make. All you have to do is follow the simple steps that I've shown you in this video and you can make these butterflies very easily at home. Do remember, I have used small sizes of paper. If you want to make your butterflies bigger, then you can use larger size papers to make your butterfly. To make these cute little butterflies, we'll be needing paper in different colors. I have here a 4 size paper in the colors yellow, pink and purple. We are going to use these colors to make the butterflies. From the A4 size paper, I cut a small piece. I took a piece from the yellow color and this piece is 10 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Now the first thing that we'll do with this piece of paper is that we'll fold it in half, lengthwise, like this. After folding the paper, we'll open it up and we'll take one corner and fold it and bring it till the middle. Where it touches the fold line in the middle, we'll make a fold there. And like this we are going to do on all 4 corners. We will simply bring this edge till the middle fold line. And then we'll make a fold on it. After having done so, we'll fold it back in half again. And from here, we will visually divide the paper in 3 pieces, and on 1/3, we will fold this paper for above. Back again like this. So we have a small zigzag fold here. That's exactly the same that we'll be doing on this side. We'll fold it like this and fold it down again. Now we will have zigzag folds on the paper, which look like this. After having done that, we will take 2 small pieces of paper of 5 by 5 centimeters. I took pink and purple. We'll take one piece and we will fold it for above like this, and we will make zigzag folds on them. The accordion type of folds. Like this. And we'll fold this pink paper exactly the same way. After having done so, we'll fold it in half. We'll take this piece and fold it in half as well. And the first piece that we folded, we'll fold this in half also. Now we will take glue and we will apply glue here in this middle section here, and we will paste this purple paper on it here. We will put this aside to dry, and in the meanwhile on the pink color we will apply glue on it. And we will take back this decoration here that we have and we'll paste the pink here. Put this in a side to dry, and here I have now thread. I took black color thread. If you want, you can take any other color thread. I'm going to use black, and with these black threads we are going to tie the butterfly and make antennas with them. And you can use it to hang your decoration anywhere. I'm going to take a small piece of thread of 15 centimeters. We'll put the thread in the middle and we are going to make a knot. Bring our knot for above, for this side where we have the yellow paper, the large size paper, and there we'll make another knot. We'll make a double knot here. And move this for above. And now we will open up the folds to make the wings of the butterfly look beautiful. Let me know if you did like these cute little butterflies. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing. Check all my other decorations. I have lots of decorations. Check them out and I'm sure you'll find something amazing to make your occasion special.